here we are, all launched, ready to go. Anchors away. G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Bezo's Mobile Cooking. Today we're going to do a chicken pie on the boat, and bad luck as it is, it's actually raining today, so I was actually going to do a chicken pie in a camp oven over a fire, but it's a bit wet, so I'm going to use the Dutch oven here in the boat on a gas cooktop. I've got that preheating in the background, so let's get ready to go. There's our onion done. Let's chop it up a little bit more. Use any vegetables that you like. Put up fairly small. The smaller the pieces, the faster and easier it will be to cook once it's in your pie. As you can hear, so that's all nicely chopped up now. And to make Uncle Roger happy, if he thinks he's having a look, I've also got some Vietto Real Gourmet stock and seasoning mix, which has got Yum Yum in there, so it's got a MSG in there. So we'll just give that a light sprinkle. Put the lid on. And give it a good shake. Now, I've got one more secret ingredient to go in. Easy Mac, chicken flavoured mac and cheese mix. I tell you, that is going to make one hell of a beautiful pie. A generous shake mix as well. So how does that look? That's going to be our pie filler. So the pastry mix I'm going to be using, I actually made yesterday or last night, and as you can see, look at that, beautiful. So let's pull enough out to make us a pie. I just kept that in the fridge overnight. It was a bit cold this morning, so I've let that thaw out to I was going to say room temperature, but to boat temperature. I'll get my trusty rolling pin. This is my drink bottle. Let's roll it out and make us enough for the pie base and the pie lid. So basically, if I cover this little chopping board with the pastry, it should be big enough for the lid and the base for our little pie container. We'll work with that separate. Light oiling. Easier. Pieces of chicken, pasta, vegetables. Lid time. But I don't think we'll need it. Just cut around. creeping around the edge. Put some breathing holes to let the steam out so it doesn't explode. Now the way we're going to know when our Dutch oven is ready, we put just a little bit of water on top. And when that boils, we know it's ready. Because that means if the top's at boiling temperature, all the air inside is going to be lovely and hot. Let's just top it off. As you can see, that little bit of water on top is, oh, look at this, beautiful. It's boiling off and evaporating all the way around very quickly, which means it's lovely and hot inside, which means it's ready for the pie to go in. Now be very careful because it's going to be very hot, so the pie is in. And we're on. It's no fun being on a boat, even in the rain. You don't get to go for a swim. So whilst that's cooking, I'm going to go for a real quick swim. That is so nice. Quick check. Yep, stove's fine. Very stable. All good. There we go, guys. I gave that about 12 to 13 minutes right way up. Then I flipped it upside down for another 2 minutes to crisp up the top because I forgot my eggs, so I couldn't do an egg wash. I've let that sit for a couple of minutes to cool a little bit. Look at that. The pastry is nice and crumbly, flaky, beautiful. Now let's cut her open and see what she looks like. How does that look? Another winner from Bezo's Mobile Cooking. Look at that for a chicken pie. Beautiful. Nice, crisp, crunchy, flaky pastry. The filling just falls apart and melts in your mouth. I was contemplating putting some barbecue or tomato sauce on that, but the pasta sauce from the chicken pasta that we put in there means that sauce is still there, so it's self-saucing internally, so we don't need to put a sauce on the outside. That's fantastic. Another winner for you. So if you'd like to see me cook something else, let me know what you'd like me to cook and where you'd like me to cook. Side of the road, back of the car, out on the boat. Let's see what we can do. Let's get creative with some of your suggestions and some of your locations. And if it's physically possible, I'll try and accommodate. Until next time, thanks for seeing. Bye.